Rebuilding my greenhouse day one after the winter storms brought it down. Stay tuned. Last year when the winds knocked it down, I had to rebuild it, and as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm taking a lot of safety pins out. I had to hurry up and pin it together as I had vegetables, and I had to keep the neighborhood cats out of it and all of the different types of vermin, specifically groundhogs and raccoons, out of my garden. So what you're seeing me doing right now is taking all of the safety pins out as I had to safety pin it together. Now I am going to attempt to piece my PVC pipes back together using this PVC pipe tape. Wish me luck. Now I'm going to have to rethink this. Now I I think this is how this tape goes, wrapped around here. And this is what I will be doing with all of this PVC pipe. So, wish me luck. There is the progress so far. This is day 2 of recording, and of course, these are some of the new earrings that I made. I think they look kind of cute with my jean jacket. Beautiful. Anyway, the cute diva that I am going to put together the roof sides of my greenhouse. So let's get started. Hey, I'm back. Had to make a pit stop to Lowe's to pick up some supplies. The wind, that treacherous snow wind, lost some of my pieces, so I had to pick up some of these to repair my greenhouse. And I'm going to get started now. So, see you in a bit. Now you can see that the sides are in. Now I am going to put the very top in, which I would consider the roof part of it, so that when the greenhouse is put over the top of it, it will sit on it perfectly. Stay tuned. The greenhouse is completely rebuilt except for that little boo-boo up top, but it's still gonna work. Just waiting for the other aesthetics to be taken care of and for the greenhouse to go over the top of the frame. All right, that's it for now.